Hello everyone, we're going to look into a quick comparison between JetBrains versus VSCode. So let's look into JetBrains first. So JetBrains offers a suite of full-featured and language-specific IDEs like for Java, Python, JavaScript, and all those things. Okay, their IDEs are built for deep code understanding, advanced tooling, and professional development. So some of the pros and cons of JetBrains IDE, the pros are it has a powerful code analysis and refactoring tools. It has best in-class support for specific languages like Java in IntelliJ, and it has a robust debugging and test integrations. The cons, on the other hand, it's heavy on system resources and it has slower startup time. Visual Studio Code, the VS Code on the other hand, it's a free open source lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft, as you may know. Okay, it supports many languages and is widely used for the speed, customization, and community support. And some of the pros of VS Code, as mentioned earlier, it's lightweight, fast, free, open source, and it has a huge extension ecosystem, and it's great for remote development support. And it has a highly customizable themes, snippets, and settings. The cons, on the other hand, it will be like the code intelligence is not as deep as JetBrains, especially for Java and Python. And it has extension quality can vary, and it needs more manual setup or configuration is required. Okay, so if you compare between both, you can choose JetBrains if you want like deep features, great refactoring tools, and enterprise level development in a specific language like Java or Python like that. Whereas you can go for VS Code if you need like a fast, free, and highly customizable editor that works well across many languages and platforms. Hope this information helps.